Saan tayo, pre?
Nasa Monaco tayo.
Sa Monaco. Saan punta natin? Nice.
Tayo ng Nice. First time ko pumunta doon. So,
alright. How long do you think ito, Jules?
I think it's 30 minutes.
30 minutes. Okay, answered. Pupunta kami ng Nice and then dadaan lang kami along the coastline ng France, guys. Happy Biazur! Finally, umating din tayo. Ayan, medyo malayo-layo yung biyahe. Grabe.
Malayo.
Saan na tayo, Pring?
Wala akong idea sa tayo. Susunod lang ako sa'yo eh.
So, malaking yate, guys. Layag, oh. Grabe. Taas, laki. Ayan. So, ako, sampid lang ako kay Julius. Kung saan si Julius, doon ako.
Dito tayo. Dito tayo.
Guys, ang bilis maglakad ni Julius. Nihingal na ako, guys. Alright, guys, this is our first stop. Yan, look at that. Yan. Okay. Guys, dito ko dinala noon una si Nikki at saka si my late wife Marian. So, napakasaya ng times namin dito, guys. Grabe. Ayan, tinignan na ito. And then we're gonna go to our next stop. Ang saya talaga namin noon, guys. Grabe. Ayan, guys, naglalakad lang kami along the coastline. And look at the aqua-colored water, guys. Ganda. And papunta tayo doon sa I Love Nice. Ayan, guys, nandito na tayo. I Love Nice. Woohoo! Alright, so ayan, guys, look at the coastline, no? Ang daming na liligo, guys. Oh my God. Just imagine. Alright, okay. Yan yun, guys. And then we're gonna go there. And then ikot na tayo, guys, pabalik ng Monaco. Alright. Alright, so nandito na tayo ngayon malapit sa fountain. And yun, guys, ang dami na talagang tao ngayon, no? Kasi summer na dito, guys. Grabe. Alright, we're gonna go there. Alright, so nandito na tayo ngayon sa last stop natin, yung Fontaine du Soleil. So ayan, guys, yan po yung Fontaine du Soleil. And kung nakikita nyo, guys, ano siya, guys, that's a statue of Apollo. So yan, napakaraming tao ngayon. I think these people all came from all over France and also people from other parts of Europe. So ayan, guys, ito yung Fontaine du Soleil. Alright, sana tama yung French ko. So ang dami mga ganda, guys. Grabe. As in, kagaya nito, guys, oh. Ayan, statue of Apollo, guys. Fontaine du Soleil. Right, guys, so meron kami nakitang restaurant dito, guys, na from Asia, Phnom Penh. So Phnom Penh, guys, is like a capital of Cambodia. So makikita mo, guys, napaka-familiar ng mga menu nila. Look at that, oh, pansit. Oh my God, ang sarap, guys. Alright, pansit. Asian din yung mga guys, pabantay. And then ayan, so typical Asian. Ang sarap, guys. Grabe. 750 euro, 750 yung guys, ang serving. Ayan, guys. So ayan, guys, malapit na kami pauwi, guys. And yan, nandun lang tayo, guys. I don't know, nawala na kami. Hanap na namin yung
bus station.
ano daw?
Hanapin namin yung bus station. Which is
Ayan.
hindi namin alam, kaya hanapin namin.
Tagal na kasing last time ko dito, guys, about more than 5 years. So medyo hindi ko na alam kung saan kami dadaan. Pero alam ko itong chicks na to, follow lang natin to. Marating din namin yung pupuntahan namin. Ayan, tama ba?
Pero makamamagalan tayo.
Ayan, alright. So ayan, guys, nawala kami. As in, kaya, guys, nahanap na lang namin yung bus station natin na pabalik, guys. Okay? Grabe, pawis. We already work like 10,000. So ano, Joel, ano masabi mo?
12,000 na.
Ayan, but anyway, yan talaga na pag nawala ka, that's part of the challenge and adrenaline. Ayan. Okay. Alright. Ano, Jules? Narating na rin natin yung sa wakas, nahanap na rin namin. Buti na lang may kababayan tayo dito na
Kababayan kami dito.
Ilang taon ka na dito, sir?
12 na po.
12 years. Ayan. Marunong na siguro ito mag-France, eh?
Ay, hindi. din ng
No English. Alright. Ayun guys, pasakay na kami ng bus maya maya. Alright.
This one is the bus that we are waiting
Okay.
for.